Hello, in this video we're going to show you how to run free webinars using YouTube Live super easily and super quickly.
Hello, we are Andrew and Pete and we are here on Rev's channel showing you how to create a webinar easy and free.
Now there are tons of different webinar software out there, all with different features, benefits, pros, cons, but our personal favorite is simply using YouTube Live. We love it because it is free and it's really easy to set up.
Here's how to get one rocking. Step 1 is to log into YouTube and go to your Creator Studio. Step 2, click on live streaming and select events. Step 3, click new live event. Step 4, give your webinar a title, description, and set a time that you're going to go live. Step 5, decide whether you want to do a public or private or unlisted webinar.
A public webinar is just a regular YouTube Live. It can be accessed by everyone, it can be found in search, and it will show up on your channel as just a regular video.
If you set it to private, that means you have to tell YouTube who can access that webinar and who can't, which isn't ideal.
An unlisted webinar is best, therefore. With an unlisted webinar, only people that have a specific link can watch. So the process goes, somebody signs up to your webinar and then you send them the unlisted YouTube Live link.
And when you're ready, step 6, click create event.
You will see in your live events page now your event. And if you click on the title, you will get to its view page. This is the page and link you want to share with people who sign up to your webinar.
You will see on this page as well that people can live comment as you go live too.
Step 7, when you are ready to do your webinar, simply go to your events page and click Start Hangout on Air and let it load.
In the settings, make sure your microphone and camera are selected, or if you don't want to be on camera, you can use the screen share button to share your screen or presentation. You can also toggle between your face and your screen using this button once you are live. When you are ready to go, hit the Start Broadcast button and you will be live on the internet. Woo!
Step 8, after you have finished your webinar, your video will be automatically uploaded to your YouTube channel with whichever privacy settings you picked, whether that was private, unlisted, or public. At this stage, you can change those privacy settings and edit the title and description, whatever you want, as you wish. You could even add captions using this handy little tool that we know called Rev.
Now what we haven't covered at this stage is how to sign people up for the webinar. So let's get into that.
For that, you're going to need some kind of ESP, aka email service provider. Something like MailChimp or ConvertKit or Aweber or Infusionsoft. Many other ESPs are available. And you also need the ability to create pages on your website. Once you have all that, this is what you need. 1, a landing page or a sign-up page. This is where people give you their email address for you to then send them the link to the webinar when it's live. So this page needs on it a registration form that connects to your email service provider. Next, you need a thank you page. So this is the page that they land on after they register for your webinar. This should basically just tell them that they've made a great decision and they should definitely go and watch that webinar live when it is time.
Thank you. Next.
Then you need a minimum of 2 emails.
1 email that automatically confirms a registration and at least 1 email before you go live linking them to the YouTube watch page.
Remember though, that is the minimum. You can do way more fancy things with your email service provider to really whet their appetite before that webinar without being really annoying.
There you go. That's how easy it is to do a YouTube Live webinar. If you have any specific questions about this, please do let us know in the comments and we'll be happy to reply.
I've been Andrew, he's been Pete, this has been Rev's channel. Make sure you subscribe for more awesomeness and we will see you again very soon.